Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tor 57 Mitch coming to you live from Winsville, Missouri. And today I'm going to show you how to install frame sliders. And what I have today is a set of frame sliders from Shogun Motorsports. And you can see it right there. So I'm going to be doing a how-to on how to install frame sliders. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, frame sliders. It's a 2018 ZX 14. It's got a 1,900 miles on it. And I'm going to be installing these. Shouldn't take too long because it's a no-cut bolt-on situation. So one of the things you're going to need is, this is it's an 8mm Allen head nut driver. I got a 1/2-inch drive with a 1/2-inch adapter down to a 3/4, and got this breaker handle, but I'm going to use this 1/2-inch drive ratchet. And the bolt is right here. We're going to stick it in here, and we're going to break it loose. Well, of course, that's not breaking it loose, that was tightening it. Break it loose. Okay, broke it loose. This is the bolt that came out of it. You have the right side, the left side. I think the short side is the left side and the long side is I think the short side is the right side and the long side is the left side. And this is the bolt that replaces this is the one that came out. This is the one that goes back in. Has to be, it goes in right here with the washer. Okay. Okay. Stick it in here. Yes. Let me make sure this is going to go on here correctly. Okay, yeah, going in there smooth. Short one, the washer right there. Okay. It's going in. Okay, got that one in on that side. So you put it in, you're supposed to torque it down to specs, 35 inch-pounds. So we got this side in. So we're going to move the operation to the other side and get the left side in. Sitting there pretty sturdy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the other side. On the left side. And we're going to loosen up the bolt on the left side. As long as you have the right tool, it's not hard to break it loose. I had to go buy this 8mm hex head because I had an 8mm Allen wrench, but it fit in there, but I couldn't turn it. I had no torque, no leverage to turn it. So I had to get an extension. Some of you might already have the extension in your toolbox arsenal. I didn't. I just happened to not have it. So we'll see. So if you don't have the tool, you need to go buy the tool. It works a lot easier. And this is the one for the left side. You can see the difference. And it is going right in there. Okay. Yeah, the little slot is for this little, it's a screw for the fairing bolts to the motor, and it's got a protrusion there that this space gives it space so it doesn't hit the frame slider. Okay, and that is how it goes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, gotta excuse me, but yeah, that completes the installation process of the frame slider. Like I said, it's a Shogun Motorsports frame slider. Cost about $53, so it wasn't too bad. Didn't take too much, didn't take long. Although I spent about $30 for the extension, the hex head, and actually I had bought the Allen wrenches too, but the Allen wrenches It was long enough, but I didn't have any torque to turn it. So I'll give you a walk around to look at the installation. And there you have it right there. Sticks out there. It doesn't stick out a lot, but it sticks out enough. It'll protect my fairings. And that's pretty nice. I also put some spools on there for when I need to lift the back end up. The spools are right here, they're green. So I put some of those on. It's on both sides. And yeah, there's the other one. Right side, left side. So that was pretty easy too, a straightforward bolt-in proposition. So let me crank her up for you. It's just a stock ZX14. So, this 457 Mitch, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave a comment, and if you like the content that I'm producing on here, subscribe to my station. Like that, this 457 Mitch.